Welcome back to another video. Today we have the multi-bolt 36 volts reciprocating saw. This is from Metabo HPT. They did have a sale going on. Make sure you guys stay subscribed so you guys won't miss any of these sales. They had you buy this for $99 and you get this Metabo 36 volt reciprocating saw for free. To help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes. Alright, so we got the brushless motor UVP user vibration protection orbital. So it does have an orbital option. This is a 36 volts tool. It does take the AC power adapter and DC power, so you can connect this to the wall with a power adapter. Does not include battery or charger. Lithium ion lifetime tool warranty. Does not include battery charge. Okay, specifications: no lead speed, 0 to 3,000 per minute. Stroke length 1 to it's actually 1 1/4, 32 millimeter. It says capacity wood 11 13/16. Steel pipe, you got 5 inches, 130 millimeter. Orbital mode, yes. Toolless blade change, yes. Toolless adjustment shoe, yes. Tool length 18 inches, 457 millimeters. You got tool weight 10 pounds, 10.6 pounds, 4.8 kilograms, with a BSL 36 volt 18 volt battery. So they're already including this weight with the battery. All right, so this is compatible with their multi-volt tool or batteries, 18 volts and 36 volt batteries. It says 8 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery. 36 volt tool requires 36 volt battery for operation, so that's a big. So if you got the older or just the 18 volts batteries, this will not operate with the 18 volts. All right, Q4 120 volts. You got J202129 Q4Y made in China. We got CR36DA made in China. That's it. Koki Holdings Company. Alright, we got some instructions here. Limited warranty. Set that aside. This is the CR36DA. Guys, this is a heavy beast. I can't see myself working with this all day, but you know what, guys, for big and heavy duty jobs, this thing will do great. All right, so all this black part is rubber. Now we got the orbital action here. So it does have the switch right here, which is a really nice. This is a premium thing to have on a reciprocating saw. We got some nice vents here at the bottom, lots of ventilation. We got a battery compartment, 7 different connectors there. It does have, seems like it has a battery gauge and a flashlight. It does have a lock here at the top, so if you don't, you can lock it. You can lock it pretty much. Pretty nice feature. A rafter hook, so you can pretty much hang this however you want to put it. Pretty nice. We got multi-volt at the bottom, so that means it's 36 volt. Alright, specifications here: Metabo HPT 5-inch cordless reciprocating saw, CR36TA, 36 volt tool, 0 to 3,000, Koki Holdings, Tokyo, Japan. Alright, so this is the adjuster here. So you pull this lever upward and then you can adjust the shoe. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Let's put the battery in here so we can adjust the blade, or put in the blade. Alright, so let's turn this on, see what this sounds like. So what you do is you put this blade in like so, like that. You twist, you can twist that way and it goes in. Pretty much locks in place. Once you have it in there, then you can start cutting. For a short blade like this, you need to have it like that. This is not the best blade, but we'll try this outside on some metal. We're gonna be doing some demo. We're just gonna do a couple cuts for you guys on this video. Alright, we got the saw right here. We do have a variable speed, so this is the speed 1, 2, 3. So let's try speed 1. See if it'll make a cut. Man, this thing's a beast. Let's do another cut. And speed. Let's go full blast here. Did you guys see that? Isn't that crazy? Nice clean cut. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform by subscribes and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one.